Hi there, my name is Philip, and I'm here with the 2023 Comfortline Jetta. This particular model comes in the Rising Blue Metallic, and it has these beautiful blacked out rims that come with this trim as well. Here underneath the hood, it comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo, which is new for 2022 and 23 models, and comes with 158 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. On the interior, we got the standard 8-inch cockpit display, along with the 10.5-inch infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a wireless charging pad, keyless entry and push start, heated seats and heated steering wheel. So even on the Comfortline model, you got tons of features. And 2023 Comfortline and higher trim level models also come equipped with standard remote start. This particular model is available for test drive anytime at our dealership on Windmill Road. All trims are very limited. Come test drive one today and place your order after that.